Are you prepared to explore the latest trends in digital marketing? Join us for a whirlwind tour of the most innovative marketing trends that will revolutionize your business in 2024. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, and staying up to date is essential to remain competitive. In 2024, the key trends in digital marketing include AI-powered marketing, metaverse experiences, data privacy, ethical data collection, local SEO, and aligning sustainable marketing efforts. With this in mind, I'll cover 11 digital marketing strategies to watch out for in 2024. Video content is no longer just a nice-to-have option. It's essential to any successful digital marketing campaign, as video content is projected to dominate internet traffic in the following years. There are numerous video marketing trends you can try. For example, live streaming is an excellent way to connect with your audience in real time. It's also a great way to generate excitement and promote new products or services. Interactive video keeps your audience engaged by allowing them to click prompts, answer questions, or cast a vote. Interactivity in such videos can greatly improve conversion rates. Also, AR/VR integration can create immersive video experiences and is becoming increasingly popular. With it, you can showcase your products or services more engagingly than traditional methods. In order to create exciting video content that resonates with your target audience, it's essential to know it well. Start by recognizing interests and pain points. Then try to answer them using video content they will likely engage with. You can experiment with various types of video content to find the one that works best for your business. Make it short and sweet. Use high-quality visuals and implement engaging storytelling methods to make your content memorable. Track the number of views, engagement, and conversion rates of your video content. From the data, you can plan strategies to improve your video content. Focusing on trending video production platforms is also important. Just don't try to excel in every single channel, as it will be overwhelming to measure the success of your campaign. It's no secret that people mainly access the internet on their mobile devices, so it's no surprise that this will continue to be an important factor in your website success in 2024. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out on a potential new audience. So, what does it mean to optimize your website for mobile? There are a few key aspects to consider, such as responsive design, mobile-friendly content, and fast loading times. Note that mobile optimization is crucial not only for your users, but also for your website's SEO. Google and other search engines are increasingly ranking sites that are mobile-friendly. In addition to SEO, mobile optimization greatly impacts overall user experience, as users will more likely leave your page if your website is difficult to navigate on a mobile device. This can lead to lost sales or even a damaged reputation. Remember to regularly test and improve your mobile site's performance using such industry-leading tools as Google PageSpeed Insights or Web Page Test. Once you've reached consistent growth in your business, consider developing a mobile app to increase your site's accessibility further. If you're looking to enhance your website speed, consider Hostinger's web hosting package. We promise to increase your site's loading speed by up to 5 times, provide unlimited bandwidth, and include our specially developed CDN, ensuring a swift and reliable service for your website. Apply the coupon code WP10 at the checkout to get an extra 10% off your purchase. Affiliate marketing remains a powerful tool in digital marketing, offering a cost-effective and scalable approach to reach a wider audience, boost brand awareness, and drive sales. If you're unfamiliar with the concept, affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where businesses partner with affiliates, also known as publishers or influencers, to promote their products or services. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale they generate through their unique affiliate links, creating a win-win scenario for both parties. This strategy is relevant as consumers heavily rely on online reviews, recommendations, and influencer endorsements. If you want to start implementing affiliate marketing for your business, leveraging AI can elevate this process. With AI-powered platforms like Tapfiliate and BrandWatch, you can quickly identify the most relevant affiliates based on audience demographics, interests, and engagement patterns. Selecting the right affiliates is crucial, as it highly impacts the sales conversion rate. Pay attention to their alignment with your brand values, audience fit, content quality, and track record. To maximize return on investment, focus on building a solid relationship with your affiliates, providing high-quality promotional materials, and offering competitive commission rates. Additionally, regular communication, data-driven insights, and performance-based rewards can enhance affiliate engagement and optimize return on investment. In terms of tracking, keep an eye on sales conversions, click-through rates, and cost per acquisition to calculate the overall cost-effectiveness of your campaign. Regularly track individual affiliate performance to identify top performers and focus resources on those who consistently deliver results. Social media has become indispensable for businesses to reach a wider audience, engage with potential customers, and build a solid brand presence. Social media channels constantly evolve, with emerging platforms and trends shaping how we interact online. You must be aware of these changes to stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly. Not only that, social media is vital for building relationships, fostering a community, and driving business growth. Consumers are more discerning than ever, so being authentic and transparent with your audience is important. To do this, provide valuable content that informs, educates, or entertains your audience. This can include blog posts, infographics, videos, live streams, or any type of content that your audience engages the most. Regularly respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations to show your audience that they are important and that you are willing to engage with them. Track your social media performance to constantly refine your strategies, optimize content creation, and maximize the return on investment. In relation to your social media presence, it's helpful to make your content interactive. With the constant influx of information, audiences are becoming more selective and less likely to engage with passive content. Interactive content allows users to engage with it directly by answering questions, taking surveys, or manipulating elements on a screen. By providing an active and participatory experience, interactive content can capture attention, enhance user experience, and increase engagement. Several popular examples of interactive content include quizzes, polls, interactive infographics, and shoppable content. Putting your effort into interactive content creation boosts user experience and engagement. It demands active involvement from users, making them more likely to pay attention and engage with your content. This way, they're more likely to understand and retain information. Also, including a personal and engaging experience fosters a stronger connection between your brand and the audience. Note that to succeed, you must understand your audience and have empathy to answer their concerns. For instance, if you want to create an interactive infographic, try to put yourself in your audience's point of view. What kind of information would benefit them the most? How interactive should such content be? And how do you make it more engaging rather than just annoying or confusing? Numerous tools and platforms can help in creating and distributing interactive content. Several popular options include Beyond, Interact, and Typeform. Try to collect user feedback to gain valuable insights to improve your content. Email marketing offers a direct and personal connection with your audience. To complete your social media strategy, sending personalized emails widens your audience reach as they land directly in your subscribers' inboxes. Here are some popular email marketing tactics and trends that you can try in 2024. First, try implementing some interactive content within your emails. It can be short videos, GIFs, polls, or any gamification content to capture attention and drive engagement. Then there is the mobile-first approach. Design your newsletters to be more mobile optimized. Focus on creating content that fits mobile devices before the desktop version. Another thing that works wonders is tailoring your emails to each subscriber's interests and preferences. Segment your audience into groups based on demographics, behavior, or other relevant factors. Also, don't forget about accessibility. Ensure your emails are accessible to people with disabilities. This means using plain text, alt text for images, and accessible email templates. Finally, a real game-changing tip for your productivity is to simplify processes for repetitive tasks like email scheduling, follow-ups, and welcome sequences to save time and improve efficiency. With these in mind, don't forget to create compelling subject lines, write straightforward content, and include a strong call to action for your email strategy to work. Local SEO efforts make your website and online presence rank higher in local search results. This is potentially even more valuable in 2024 as search engines like Google continuously refine their algorithms for local search results. Moreover, the rise of mobile devices has led to a surge in local search queries, with users seeking information about businesses and services near their physical location. This strategy ensures your business appears first when someone searches for a relevant product or services in your area. This increased visibility can lead to more website traffic, phone calls, and store visits, eventually driving sales and customer growth. To effectively optimize for local search, consider implementing these strategies. First, optimize your Google My Business account by providing accurate and up-to-date information about your business, such as your address, phone number, business hours, and services. Incorporate relevant local keywords into your website content as well, including your business name, location, and services. Use them naturally on your website and try to avoid keyword stuffing. To support that, create some localized content that caters to your local audience. This could include blog posts about local events, tips for residents, or highlighting your involvement in the community. Encourage customers to leave comments on Google My Business or other review sites. These platforms boost your online reputation and influence local search rankings. Actively engage with local communities to build relationships and generate backlinks. This involves sponsoring local events, participating in community forums or groups, or collaborating with other local businesses. Integrating sustainability and ethical practices into your marketing strategy can impact your brand reputation and customer loyalty. Consumers are more likely to trust and support brands that align with their values, leading to increased brand preference and positive word of mouth. Being transparent and authentic is crucial when communicating your sustainable and ethical practices. Your customers are smart, and they will know if you're not being genuine. Instead, be clear and offer solid proof of your sustainability efforts. This includes any certifications, partnerships, and real-life stories about your products or services. Several certifications you can consider taking include Fair Trade, B Corp, and LEED, which can provide credibility and further assurance to your consumers. Additionally, partnering with organizations that share your values can amplify your message and demonstrate your dedication to positive social and environmental impact. To assess the effect of your sustainable and ethical marketing efforts, track such metrics as brand perception, customer engagement, and total sales growth. To no one's surprise, paid advertising in 2024 will be a relevant digital marketing practice. That said, you will have to keep up with the latest trends, including programmatic advertising, which uses automation and algorithms to buy and sell ad space in real time. This way, you can enable more precise targeting and efficient ad placement. Tailor your ad campaigns to individual customer preferences and behaviors. Use data segmentation and dynamic content to deliver personalized messages that resonate with each audience segment. Regarding data privacy, be sure your paid advertising campaigns comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR, CCPA, or any others that apply in your region. Be transparent about collecting and using data and obtaining explicit consent from customers. Integrate your paid advertising campaigns across different channels such as social media, search engines, and display networks. This will create a cohesive and consistent brand experience for your customers. If you've been constantly bidding on paid ads, it's time to consider investing in AI-powered tools to automate repetitive tasks, optimize ad campaigns, and gain deeper insights from data. Several useful ones include Marin Software, Acme Labs, and Kenshu. Storytelling can transform brands from mere products or services into relatable entities. It lets you showcase your business's values, mission, and purpose to create a deeper connection with the audience. With the immense amount of content created every day, people tend to make a buying decision based on emotive reactions. Storytelling can be a bridge for your brand to connect with your audience personally. That said, the storytelling should align with your business's genuine value, be transparent, and be true to your brand's values. Strong brand storytelling offers several benefits like building brand awareness, evoking emotions, building trust, and driving engagement. You can integrate storytelling into various aspects of branding and marketing through brand messaging, customer testimonials, video ads, and social media sharing. Combine these strategies and tell your company's story by repurposing content across various channels to amplify the value of your brand. A blockchain is a system that keeps track of transactions across multiple computers. Since the information is spread out, it's hard to change or hack it, since you'd have to change every copy of the record. Blockchains are often used to record cryptocurrency transactions, but can also be used to track other types of data like supply chains, medical records, or voting records. Implementing blockchain in your marketing strategy includes a range of innovative approaches to enhance customer engagement, build trust, and achieve marketing goals. Blockchain allows direct and secure communication between brands and customers. This direct connection benefits personalized marketing campaigns, targeted promotions, and loyalty programs. You can also exchange blockchain-based tokens for products, services, or exclusive experiences to create a sense of growing community among customers. With blockchain, customers have more control over their data. They can share it with brands in exchange for rewards or tailored experiences while maintaining ownership and privacy. The transparent and traceable transactions using blockchain further support customers' data privacy. This way, your brand can ensure accountability and build trust with your customers. That said, blockchain marketing is still in its early stages, so it requires careful consideration of challenges and limitations. Plus, the regulations surrounding blockchain charges will still face many changes and updates, so make sure you research the topic and get to know all the ins and outs so you feel comfortable trying it out. And that's our list of actionable digital marketing strategies to implement in 2024. Have any other tips or think that we missed something important? Feel free to share your thoughts or start a discussion in the comment section below the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show us some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to Hosting Your Academy for more website development and digital marketing tips. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.